This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Laura Hoult. Move-in ready. This ranch floor plan offers 4 bedrooms and 2 full baths. A large kitchen island overlooking the dining area and living room, creating an open concept living space. This home also has a large owner's suite with a walk-in shower, a double vanity, large walk-in closet and linen closet. Kitchen include 36 cabinets west/crown molding, full stainless steel appliances including the refrigerator, and 18 tiles in all wood areas. For more information, review the details below.